Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Mokele. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today the topic I have is sound contrast. Sound contrast, okay? Sound contrast means the difference between two sounds, okay, in a language. When speaking any language, what is the difference between two sounds that are sounding similar? Okay, just this. The non-native of English will naturally produce these words the same way. I hear it every time, but they are not actually the same. That is the truth. Let us sound them. This is a short vowel sound, and this one is a long vowel sound. Anytime you see words like this, you give them a long sound. This is a, 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 and this one is a, as in leg, neck, said, beg, and so on. And this one is a, as in bird, turn, word, third, burn, dirt. Okay, this is a, as in bed, ten, word, ted, bed, dead. So we are going to transcribe the words. I'll transcribe the words. We sound them together and you see their contrast, the difference between both words. That is I have 6 examples on the board. Let's produce the vowels again. This one is A, and this is A. A, A, A. Bed, ten, wet, ted, bend, dead. And this, bird, turn, word, third, burn, dirt. Let me transcribe them and we'll produce them one after the other. Bed, bed, bed. Ten, ten, ten. Wed, wed, wed. Ted, ted, ted. Ben, ben, ben. Dead, dead, dead. The B is silent. Dead. Okay, let us produce them together. Bed, ten, wed. Let me say over here. Ted, ben, dead. Now let me transcribe the second part. This one is okay, let's produce them. This one is bird, bird, turn. No, sorry. This one is, yeah, turn. It's correct. Turn, turn. Word, word, word. Third, burn, burn, dirt. Can we go over again? Bird, bird, turn, turn, word, word, third, third, burn, burn, dirt, dirt. Okay? Bed, bird, ten, turn, word, word, third, third, burn, burn, dirt, dirt. So this is a long sound, a long vowel sound, and this one is a short sound. So you give the word a short pronunciation when sounding the bed. This one is not a bed. This is a bird. A bird. This one is 10 and this one is turn. This one is word. Why this one is word. This one is third. This one is head. Why this one is third. This one is bend. Why this one is burn. This one is deck. Why this one is dirt. Okay? Would you like to try them? Let's go. Well done. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end. The Lord bless you.